Good afternoon and welcome to my Fluidart tutorial channel, Michelle Peha Art. My name is Micky. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm working on a split colour with some blues. So we're going to be using Amsterdam titanium white for the top and the bottom. In here it's not actually a certain colours, there's probably about 8 colours in here. What it is when you do a canvas and you're not happy with the canvas and you scrape all that off, I actually collect all the paint from the table, put it in a bottle, shake it up, and that's a colour that I ended up having. So all I did was add some white to it, and that will be my base. Okay, so that's my base colour. So like I said, I can't tell you exactly what's in here, it's just what you scrape off the table. So I'll do another video soon of the different colours that you get just by scraping a painting and putting it in a bottle instead of throwing it away. Okay, so the colours I have are titanium white by Amsterdam, Amsterdam Sky Blue light, Amsterdam Brilliant blue, Liquitex Basics light blue violet, Liquitex Basics Iridescent white, Liquitex Basics Turquoise blue, and some Mont metallic silver, and I'm just going to put in a little bit of Amsterdam burnt umber. If you haven't already and you're enjoying my videos, I'd love for it if you'd press that red subscribe button. I think it's down in the corner here. Okay, so I've gone through the colours. I'm going to lay my base on. I've already taped the back and put the push pins in. Okay, so I'm actually going over an old painting. So let's do the base and I'll be right back. Okay, my base is down. Just going to give it a little bit of a torch. Pop the air bubbles. Okay, so I might start laying the colour. So I'm going to go Brilliant blue, then Sky Blue light, light blue violet, iridescent white, might do just a tiny bit of brown, what's that? What's this? Turquoise blue. And the silver. Okay, give that a bit of a torch. Okay, I'm going to put some white at the top, bit of the blue down the bottom. So what we're going to do now is just blow the base over. Let's turn this around. Okay, just blow this out a little bit. Okay. I like that. I just want to do something here, so I might fix this up a bit here. Might fix these up. Might do some little puddles. Okay, so let's lay the colours down. And the silver. Lay the silver down. Just wondering if I might just put a little bit of the white. There's some white. Here's some white. Just put a little bit of white on the top of it. Okay, do this one first. Okay. Okay, I like that side. Still don't like this side here. So this is okay. Just this part here. Okay. Okay, let's just fix this up. Okay. So let's put these colours down again here. And I just want to put a little bit of white. Okay. Let's try to blow this. Okay. Okay. And look what I did. Okay. Okay, let's just fix this up here. There we go. Okay, we'll fix up my sides. Just touch up on my sides. Touch up a bit over here. Okay. There we go. I think that's about it. Okay, I will bring you down to have a quick look. This is an 8x10 canvas. We've gone through the colours, so if I really like to know what you think, so if you'd like to leave me a comment. So I quite like this now, so I will bring you down to have a quick look. Okay, so let's have a little close-up of this. You can see that iridescent white through there. Go up the top here. Little cluster of weird looking cells there. Might blow that a little bit. Okay, here we go. Have a quick look. Okay. It's got the iridescent white. Let me come up here. So this is only a small 8x10. So iridescent in there. There's some cells forming there. See the iridescent sparkling? There it is. Okay, we go over this side. Oh, that sparkle in there. Okay, so there we go. Just quick little pour today.